All right, beautiful people. So we are finally here at Josh V's Detailer Supply. Have been able to come here for a bit. I was down here in San Diego when when he was having his grand opening, but unfortunately, like I mentioned, it was my daughter's birthday at that time, and now it's my middle daughter's birthday. Actually, yesterday was her birthday. So on the way back, they drove together because my oldest daughter and my middle daughter are going to go home together. So that way, you know, my oldest daughter doesn't have to drive alone. So Dad gets to drive alone. Well, I got to make a stop here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask for permission to see if I can record inside. I'm not sure if Josh is going to be here. The point of this video is to kind of give you a tour of what it looks like around here. I didn't record the entry, but I'm going to record now, you know, what it looks like around. So here, let me flip the camera around. That's Josh V's place. There's a couple people talking out there. So, all right, let's get out. Let's see if they're willing to let me record. All right, beautiful people, this is another episode of One Dad on the Go. This is Josh V's shop here. So, here we go. This gentleman was kind enough to let us record in here. What is your name?
Philip.
Philip, he's an awesome guy.
Manager. We also have Gavin, who's here.
Okay.
Not here, he's our sales guy.
Got it.
Yeah.
All right, perfect. So if you come up here, down for me, go ahead and say hi to Philip here. All right, so this is the entryway. We have all the pads.
All right, guys, we're here with a new video. We're going to review quicker brake. Kind of funny how I'm starting this video on the ground here.
All right, here we have some chemicals.
And I'm going to bring in the time to record because my neighbors, it's windy, so my neighbors think it's spinning and it's super annoying. Anyways, we're going to review quicker brake. So,
Some Max Shine brushes. Here we have his quiver foam cannon and the IMJOSHV. There's some heft to it, so not bad. It's got the, it's basically looks just like the IMJOSHV. Here we have a bunch of auto fiber. Now I did a video at the auto fiber store on the Friday when Josh did his grand opening here. But so take a look at that video. I'll put a card on this video here. All right, let's see. We have the Max Shine kind of mid on a stick looking thing, and their bucket dolly. So these are all Golden State towels. And again, we have Scrub Ninjas. We have their auto fiber. This is the quadrant wipe. Over here we do have Rupus. And Ultra Clean. Now this is Josh's DI water. That's the system to basically give you spot-free water. So you have big filter coming in, you have a reverse osmosis, and then there's right there is the hose on the way out. I'll go outside and take And so you can take a look at that. It's got a bunch of tanks here. The Carglaw, is that a local?
Yeah, San Diego based. They got a location in Kearney Mesa and Chula Vista as well.
Got it.
And yeah, we just go straight through Jared over in Kearney Mesa. He's the main guy.
Okay.
And yeah, we carry all of his good stuff mainly.
Yeah.
There's some missing on there, but
yeah,
the essentials.
Got it. All right, and then we come over here and we got some Clean Tool. We got Yum, Detail Co, and Clean by Pan. Then we have the Coach Chemi. And Josh's Quiver line.
So a lot of that stuff lately.
Yeah. Well,
Real low.
Philip, I was here during the grand opening. Here, I'm not from here. I used to live in Oceanside.
Okay.
Then I moved way out to the high desert. So,
You're a ways away.
yeah. So what basically happened is my daughter had her 25th birthday right when you guys were doing your grand opening. So I wasn't able to come here. It is what it is. But we were actually down south. We went to the Encanto place. It was cool. Oh, it was wonderful. Like the food, but the place looked just like Encanto.
Nice.
Yeah, so it was kind of cool. Yeah, so it's always nice going to Baja. And I was like, could I take 2-3 hours from my day and come over here? And I'm like, no, family's first. So yeah, it is what it is, and that's the way it goes. That's right.
No worries.
So
Glad to have you down here now.
yeah, thank you. And so yesterday was my other daughter's birthday.
Okay.
And brought her down so they could go to a concert together.
Okay.
And now on the way back, they're driving back and Dad's alone. So
There you go. Perfect.
Dad gets to, yeah. Question for you. So for rims, what do you have anything for wheel?
For cleaning wheels,
Brake?
and stuff, and that
Okay.
comes in a concentrated
Okay.
solution.
All
You
right.
can dilute that stuff pretty far, 4-to-1 and 10-to-1. You can
Okay.
even use it straight if you really need to.
Alrighty.
But it is super strong. Super
Okay.
concentrated.
Got it. So do you have that in a 32?
Don't.
No?
I sold
Okay.
it
So
all.
we would have
Dropped
to
a
go gallon. Okay.
Anything that I've sold out of in the 32 ounce,
Yeah.
if you do end up getting it in the gallon, I'll throw you a little discount, make up
Okay.
for it.
Okay.
But yeah, the brake is a super awesome product.
Yeah.
If you want something else kind of similar to it, was gonna recommend the Grayscale alkaline one, but that one
Okay.
we're sold out of as well.
Because I'm also going to try the Yum car.
Yeah, the
So-
Yum is a really good lineup.
Yeah.
This stuff, the
The detail.
Ragnarok, this is good, but it is an acid base.
Got it.
It has the acids, surfactants, a bunch of other goodies. This one is going to be a lot stronger than brake, in my opinion.
Okay.
But it's just because they're two different products.
Right. And this is that brown based, or is it also purple?
That one, I believe that one's clear. because
Clear?
it's-
Oh,
yeah. Let's
okay.
see. I mean,
All right.
I believe last time. Yeah, this one's on the clear side.
On the
of
clear.
things,
Yeah. Okay.
But
It looked brown because of the bottle.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. It looks brown in there.
All right. So I'm going to finish up touring my audience, and then I'm going to get some brake, Yum, and probably that Detail Co.
Sweet.
And then I think I need Ulex from.
Ulex just sold out.
You sold out?
Everybody-
Okay.
All of a sudden, this past week, there's a big demand for it. Everybody.
Wanna know why?
For the,
I know why. Yeah. So, do you know who Improved Garage is?
I've seen
Jeff.
it on the, yeah.
Yeah,
on
okay.
Instagram, yeah.
He just made a video that on the foam cannons from Griot's Garage,
Okay.
you can take off the paint with Ulex.
Right.
And so I was like,
Wipe it all off.
yeah, you can wipe it off. And so, Ulex takes those paint chemicals, takes them right off and leaves the bottle nice and clean. So that's probably why it's sold out. Because he just dropped that video like a couple days ago.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
No, I've been seeing
Craziness.
big demand for it.
Yeah.
It's funny.
Yeah. So demand goes up.
That
It
makes-
is
that
what it
makes sense
is.
for it.
Yeah. So that's fine. I have like 4 of those foam cannons. And so I'm like, I could take it off because I hate the red.
Yeah.
All right, beautiful people. So we just got done paying here. Philip helped me out. He really took care of me. So we'll be back. And next time I'm in town, I'll definitely be in here. Thank you. It's been another episode.
Stop on by.
Thank you. Our beautiful people. So the outside of this, like I mentioned, it's an industrial complex. So it isn't pretty necessarily. Well, it is pretty because you have, you know, the whole industrialness of it, but don't expect it to be, you know, like a retail shop, like every other place, or like a Walmart or anything like that. Definitely not. But very cool place, really cool people. And we're gonna do, all right, beautiful people, we're gonna do a video on the different brake products. Or I'm sorry, not brake products, but different wheel and tire cleaners. So we're gonna put them against each other, okay? All right, beautiful people, this has been another episode of One Dad on the Go. I'm the one and only. I'll catch you on the next one.